Alright, so hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna hopefully finish registering an account feature. Then we're gonna start implementing Django single sign-on. So I just test the phone verification. It works, so that's nice. And then let me just test the flow out. So in here, if I just log in, I'm in register with an appropriate password. And then in here, my username, DevWithMe, at mail.devwithme.xyz. Alright, let's click on register. Alright, so I need to fix this route because it's supposed to go to /us /register/phone. Alright, and then what we can do is that's my Google Voice phone number. This is my Twilio phone number. Let's see. Then here I can just say manually go to /us. Alright, let's go to United States. Alright, just so that I don't have to actually open the Google Voice thing, I'm gonna put it here. Other autofill password are just phone number are just some dummy phone number that I came up with. Alright, so then in here, what I will do is, let me go and print the code out. So that I don't have to actually see it. Alright, let's click on verify. Alright, we send a 6 digit to your phone that you provided. Alright, that's a number. Okay, and if you click on verify, /us/phone verify. Yeah, we don't have this. Let's click on verify again. Alright, nice. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna register this user then. So let me Google the extend the model thing because I want to use a one-on-one field this time, but I just need to make sure that I know how to do it. Since extend user model. So that's everything I do. It's basically all done on live. I didn't do any much prior research. So anything you see on here is actually the error that I face. Alright, let's see. Let me take a look at this the official doc. Yeah, alright. So in here, let's see, class employee. Okay. Alright. So in here, let me go ahead and grab this out. Okay, we already imported a user, so that's good. And I need to go to models. And then I need to copy it. Let me put it right up here. Alright, and I'm gonna call this profile. Alright. So what's gonna have here is you're gonna have referring to a, let's see, what should we have here? Maybe, so we have their passwords, alright. We do have their username as well as their email. I'm thinking, what do we need to actually store here? Maybe what we need to store is the phone number. I'm just gonna give 20 digit because I think that should be enough. Let me make migrations. And then let me migrate it. Okay, that's too much. Alright, there you go. Run server. Alright, so it turns out that we don't actually need many field for now. Obviously, we're gonna keep adding stuff, so might need it eventually. Alright, so in here, what we're gonna do is gonna say this. If request.session.get code is not equals to request.post bracket code. Then in here I want to say return render request authentication / phone.html. Let's see. Here's what I will do. I will cut this part and then add it to the base so everybody has it. Because that's what I want to do. Alright. Now where am I? Okay. So in here then we want to return a message. It's invalid code. Alright. Alright, let's see. Where's the post? Okay. Alright, next is in here we can say else. We don't have to say else actually. So if their code is correct, then we want to indeed start creating the user object. So in here we want to say user.objects.createUser. Alright, so in here we have their username. Username of which going to be their username here. Request.session bracket username .get. Alright. Password. Password. First name. First name. Let's say, let me take a look at what user model I actually have. Just so I know. Subtract user. Alright, first name, last name, okay. First name is what's our name for the first name? Last name equals to last name dot yeah. Alright, once we created this user, what we want to do is we want to get this user back. User.objects.get. Alrighty. Okay. So then what I can do, so in here I can say from.models import profile. Alright, and in here I will say profile. I can say user equals to user, phone equals to I'm gonna need a lot of steps. I'm not sure that's safe or not, but for now I'm just gonna keep going. Request.session bracket phone. It's gonna equals to this. Their country code. And then their phone number. Alrighty, we're all set to go. Okay. So in here I can just say request session get phone save. Alright. Then what we can do is maybe in here we can just say return render request. Let's just return HTTP response for now. Welcome. Yep, I think that's how I want it to look like. Let's try to run it. I think they're the phone verb, I think. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's go to /os/register. Alright. First name, dev with me, password. Confirmation, dev with me. Alright. Phone verification. Go all the way down. Another little feature I think we can add is automatically select their country if we have one. If we can. Send 6-digit code. Should be this. Let's verify. Welcome. Alright, looks like everything is alright. Looks like it. Let me try to run a Jingo shell though, just to confirm that everything been created successfully. Alright. Let's in here, let's say from Jingo dot contrib dot os dot models import user, and here I want to say user dot objects dot get username equals to nice. Okay. Let's see if we can see their additional information. So I just want to double check. Do that first name. All right, nice. Let's say from Django.contrib. Actually, we can just say from authentication. Excuse me, 1 second. All right. Authentication. Models import profile. Objects get user equals to you. Dot. I don't know. Dot phone. Let's see. Okay, this looks weird. I'm not sure what's putting in a format like this. Make any mistakes? Let's see. Now, what I want to look like is this. I don't think this is a huge thing, but alright. Okay, now, actually, I think this video gonna be it for now because I want to make sure each video we start with if we had to start with a new content, we start from a brand new video. But now I can see we finish our registering route. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna implement this login view. So the login view we're gonna do is gonna involve the single sign-on, basically because we're gonna have different services, right? And they're not gonna belong to the same route. Instead, what's gonna happen is they're gonna say something like, if, for example, use a domain that we purchased from the first video, we're gonna use subdomain. So our feature we're implementing right now maybe gonna be accounts dot devwithme.xyz, and then Google Drive, maybe the drive gonna be drive.devwithme.xyz, etc. But yeah, I think everything's working for registering. So next video, we're gonna start implementing the single sign-on so that user don't have to authenticate like each time when they visit a brand new service. All right. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. DevWithMe out.